Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Do Not Disturb mode on your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So what you guys want to do first is go over and open up the main page of your Xiaomi robot vacuum. Click on three dots right here, and here we have the D&D period. Now for the D&D period, what we want to do is we want to tap the switch on to enable it. As you guys can see here, we have the starting time and ending time. So we can change the ending time at, let's say, 6 a.m. and starting time at 23 a.m. So now our D&D is turned on for 7 hours. And that's how you guys can easily do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.